Yeah, my people, share this video too. Listen to what happened in the court today. Yes, now Peter Obi again presented a lot of evidence and a lot of weakness. And see the questioning, see the way that they question and answer today. It was war in the court today. Watch and see how obedient people are progressing. See, our mandate is coming back. Share this video, share this video to get across to everybody. Share, like, comment. I beg of you, watch the video.
My Lord, we would like to continue with the witness from yesterday. After being reminded that he's still under oath, the INEC counsel stood up to start the cross-examination. Good morning. Morning, responded the witness. Can you tell the court where you were on election day? On election day? Answer me properly. I know you've been forced to repeat after me to waste my time. Objection. That's wrong. The LP counsel cut saying. At this point, the presiding judge reprimanded the INEC counsel. Why would you say that? Were you there when he was told? Where were you, Mr. Mathematical Statistician? Continued the INEC counsel. I voted. Were you requested to do the Labour Party analysis? I was requested to produce the report. And you were paid for it? Nobody paid me for it. You acted like a patriotic Nigerian. Objection. It's too early to be standing up. That's not right. The presiding judge comes in. Equator, let him go on, please. You did it as a patriotic Nigerian, the INEC counsel continued. I am a patriotic Nigerian and I wanted to have something to teach my students with. Your primary source of data was IREV portal? Yes, responded the witness. In your witness statement, you made reference to forms EC8As as well as results uploaded on IREV. Not really, responded the witness. What do you mean by reports on IREV portal? It is copies of forms EC8As uploaded. IREV and EC8As, you are referring to the same document? No, they are different. What's the difference? The forms of EC8As are like this, while the ones on IREVs are copies of it. The witness, while responding, waved a piece of paper. The form EC8A uploaded on the portal is the only thing you see on IREV, questioned the INEC counsel. Not really, responded the witness. The presiding judge comes in. Not really is not an answer. I said not really because his question doesn't need a definite answer, responded the witness. The form EC8A are the only thing on the IREV. The INEC counsel repeated the question. No, answered the witness. What else? There were blood images. What else did you see? Some of them did not relate to the analysis done. For instance, Senate and House of Reps results were on the presidential. Prof, when you refer to blood EC8As on IREV, you don't expect the physical copies to be blood? I didn't see the physical copies, replied the witness. In all your review, you didn't see anything on the portal that suggests there's an electronic collation on the portal. Am I right? Anything electronic? You are a prof. I'm sure you speak English clearly. The portal is an electronic collation system, the witness responded. And the presiding judge cuts in. The portal, just the portal. Yes, responded the witness. Are you suggesting to the court that the portal can collate and tabulate results? The portal can only hold what you input, so it's not capable of doing that, responded the witness. You made mention of 18,088 blood EC8As, and you were made to use the LP agent sheets for your analysis. I didn't only use Labour Party agent forms. You referred to Labour Party agents' results? That part says, and before he could finish talking, the INEC counsel interrupted him. I didn't ask you to read it. You referenced Labour Party agents. Yes, I did. So where are their EC8As? Did you attach them to your report? I believe it has been tendered. Did you attach it? No, I didn't. You are not an election expert, Prof. It depends on what you mean by election expert. The INEC counsel continues. What do you understand by that? I suggest that there is no way you could have undertaken the task on paragraph C3 of your witness statement, which states compliance regulations and electoral rules of INEC. If I understand you clearly, the Elections Act and guidelines state that there should be an online transmission, responded the witness. Are you an election expert? Can you declare compliance? Yes, I can declare compliance. Can you confirm to the court when you concluded your assignment for Labour Party? It was 19th of March. Look at Rivers State document. Degema local government area. Read the polling unit. And the witness goes on to read it. Omoge Memorial Hall. Let's have the PU number. The presiding judge asks. 002, responded the witness. What's the word? Honorable Justice Ugo asks. Word 7, the INEC counsel responded and continued questioning the witness. What's the accredited voters? Is 40 correct? The INEC counsel asks. Correct, responded the witness. There's no overvoting, correct? Honorable Justice Ugo interrupts the INEC counsel. Help us. His time is going. 40 plus 40 is 80. There's no overvoting, responded the witness. That will be all, my lord. The INEC counsel concludes his cross-examination. It's the turn of Tinubu's counsel to cross-examine the witness. He started by saying, your report covers only 2 states, Benue and Rivers State. As at the point when the report was requested, the witness responded, but you covered only 2 states. No, I did all the states, but those were the 2 I could present when I was called to tender, and the documents tendered speaks for themselves. Please, Prof, do not be rude. Answer my question. I didn't mean to be rude, my lord. You tendered for Benue, continued Tinubu's counsel. Yes, and others, the witness responded. Did you tender for Rivers? So why didn't you tender for Oyo State? The presiding judge caught saying, so you want him to tender for your own state? Tinubu's counsel continues. So apart from Rivers State, which other state did you tender? Prof, which other state did you tender? This is becoming comical. You are asking the questions and smiling, so I don't get you. The witness responded. Honorable Justice Ugo jokingly added his voice. This is hot between senior advocate of law and senior advocate of mathematics. Did you tender for any other state apart from 2? Whatever you say, my lord, responded the witness. The presiding judge caught saying, you tendered 2 states. Just answer the question. You tendered only 2 states? Yes, responded the witness. Thank you. If you had more data than you worked with, your report will be different. The report shows that it is done on interval basis. You worked with available data? Yes. So if you had more data, your report will be different? Yes, responded the witness. In your witness statement, in paragraph 2B, page 2, you listed data analysis, practical experience. You have not claimed in this witness statement to have done any analysis for a court case in the election matter like this. No, I haven't. In paragraph 3B, part of your mandate was to determine whether the results matched with IREV. No, responded the witness. You said you were requested on 20th February 2023 by LP to carry out data analysis of the elections that has not even been held. Yes. So all this was done in anticipation that Labour Party will lose the election? No, that's not it, responded the witness. You were also in that engagement requested to determine INEC's compliance with the regulations of the Electoral Act. Yes. I find it strange that after your engagement on 20th February 2023, showing you specifically what you should do for Labour Party, you now insisted on subpoena. When I got the job, no one talked about court at all. I did it for my students, responded the witness. So Tinubu's counsel wanted him to continue, but the presiding judge wasn't having it. I believe you heard the bell. Your time is up. Now is the turn of the APC counsel to cross-examine the witness. He begins by saying, my lord, I am very weak in mathematics. So he passes the mic to his colleague, Owonikoko SAN, and he begins immediately. Prof, you've done well in your career. What's the theory in mathematics to say a document is blood? There's no theory, responded the witness. So I will be correct to say that your report is not out of expertise? Of course. What level of numeral literacy does one require to do addition of polling unit results? If we go by what you ask, INEC won't use experts. So you don't need expert to do simple arithmetic. It depends on what you mean as simple. Arithmetic is not so simple and experts are needed at some point. A person who has gone through simple mathematics can be able to calculate the results? Yes, responded the witness. Your choice of Rivers and Benue as touchstone of your analysis was a random pick and not based on any theory? Yes, it was random. You were aware at the presidential election, 3 leading parties won a number of states in line of votes, APC, LOP, and PDP. The lawyer pronounced it LOP, which put the entire court in hysterics. The witness responded that his job has nothing to do with who wins or who did not. But did you know any Nigerian who won? He continued questioning the witness. What it seems may not be what you have heard. Who won the election in Rivers based on what INEC announced? Based on what INEC declared, I don't know, responded the witness. Okay, you don't know who won in Benue State? Who won is different from who was declared, the witness responded. You used to state that APC won. I cannot say for now. The exercise you carried out here has some elements of statistics. Actually, I dealt on exact data, responded the witness.